what's inside SmallBizDavid's Bing Bag. I just came up with that title because I was interested yesterday when I was comparing Google search versus Bing search, that Bing found this information about SmallBizDavid as America's Premier Experts was an organization that noted that SmallBizDavid on this page, which was the back page of the February 1st edition of USA Today, there were 2, 4, 6, 7, 14. There were 14 emerging business leaders to watch, and SmallBizDavid was one of them. And they found a case study that SmallBizDavid wrote. And I'm going to share that with you right now. David Leopold, a.k.a. SmallBizDavid by Google and YouTube, recently announced the launching of Phase 2 of David's Barter Community. On January 31st, 2011, SmallBizDavid committed any available community resources to the Startup America Partnership, a joint effort between the United States government and the Obama administration and private business, with seed money being given by the Kauffman Foundation of Kansas City and the Steve Case Foundation of Washington, D.C. Phase 1 of David's Barter Community Social Marketing, Social Network Technology online platform was completed when Google search engine recognized David's Barter and SmallBizDavid and the community's very optimized, very Googleized landing pages. The first page recognized was davidsbarter.com, SmallBizDavid. With a typo. On the average for the last 28 months, only 150,000 new jobs are being created monthly. Only half the number that the Kauffman Foundation suggested needed to be created for 38 consecutive months, taking our country back to a sense of normalcy. New jobs are best created when new businesses are started. An optimized landing page in David's Barter Community creates job number 1 for a new business. And as the business grows, more jobs are created. 10,000 new jobs are created when 10,000 landing pages are launched in David's Barter Community, which simplifies the process with the innovative social marketing, social network technology. Marketing and technology are 2 of the greatest challenges facing any business, especially a new business. SmallBizDavid says, just do what I do, using your own unique branding of your product or service, making sure you bring value to the marketplace. Consumers or businesses must find value before a purchase investment is made. Not only will new businesses be started, David's Barter Community is making 10,000 landing pages available, complimentary, for 50 days to entrepreneurs who register at davidsbarter.com and present a viable business idea. We will continue with the rest of this information, this blog, this case study that Bing found yesterday in their search engine results.